Endpoint security and its importance. Endpoint security is the process of protecting user endpoints, such as laptops, desktop computers, tablets, cell phones, ATMs, medical devices, IoT devices, and servers from malware, ransomware, and zero-day threats. According to Endpoint Security Report 2022, 66% of organizations experienced increased threats to their endpoints. Endpoint detection and response solutions are critical for all organizations. Modern new-gen security solutions alongside legacy solutions are the need of the hour. X5 is an innovative firmware-based AI-embedded hardware cybersecurity solution, offering sufficient real-time vigilance to endpoint devices against cyber and physical threats. X5, with its AI-1 core quantum engine, forms a centralized endpoint security mechanism that operates on the zero-trust architecture with the capabilities of X5 Forensic, X5 Guard, X5 Stream Protection, X5 Factor Encryption, and X5 Site Secure, to provide 24/7 monitoring and protection of endpoint devices against side-channel attacks, ransomware attacks, viruses, and malware contamination. Get your hands on the X5 Cybersecure SSD, and be prepared to transfigure the endpoint security system. Safe, secure, smart. The X5.